engine before we start working on the car here. It's a 5-liter Ford from an '89 Mustang. Kind of came as a whole package, fully dressed up. As you can see, we got all the brackets, accessories, pretty much everything. We got the top end here, valves, intake manifold, injectors, fuel rail, distributor, stock T5 transmission, bell housing, brand new King Cobra clutch on it. We've got the intake manifold, throttle body, mass airflow sensor, distributor cap and wires, ignition coil. We've got the whole wiring harness here. We've got the A9L computer. So the A9L is the model for a mass airflow setup with a 5-speed transmission as opposed to the older speed density types. I even got the shifter for the transmission, whether I choose to buy a better one or not. At least I have one. Get me through the project if I want. You know, this is a stock engine. It's going to need a new paint job on the block here and a little bit of cleaning up, but it's really going to work well for me. And I think that what I'm going to do, you know, my target for this car was to have around 350 horsepower, something, yeah, the crank, maybe around 300 at the wheels. And, you know, obviously stock isn't near those numbers, but I'm going to keep the engine stock. I'm not even going to open it. I'm just going to clean it up, do a new quick paint job on the block, and I'm going to install it as is. Now, I think probably next year, maybe I'm going to make it a winter project to pull the engine back out and maybe go with like a trick flow top end kit or something. And that should get me to around 350 horsepower at the crank or something like that. In the meantime, this will give me a chance to try the engine, test it out, see how much I like this engine before I really spend any money on it. So. I applied this metallic gray coating on the block. Looks nice, I think. Oh yeah, I like that, eh? That engine's looking pretty sharp. It's about to be going in the car.